since 2020, early 2024, but the momentum is slowed. Capital is rotating internally, not entering fresh. Rallies die fast and breadth keeps narrowing. So, is this the beginning of the end? Is
क्या
that what
बात
this
कर रहा
But
है
is?
यार?
what external money was this person expecting anyway? ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
I'm guessing कि तेरा normal retail.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं.
हाँ, now we are live.
All right, Bobs of Crypto podcast number 9, I think. 9 है कितना है? 9 ना? Wow.
9.
Mhm.
I'm guessing,
Yeah.
yes.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and dear friends and Kunal. How are you?
क्या
बहुत
मतलब
दिनों
है?
बाद आपकी शक्ल देखने को मिली. आज दर्शन कर दिया आपने हमारे. थैंक यू सो मच.
तुम आए तो आया मुझे याद, गली में आज चांद निकला.
हाँ
कुछ
यार,
बोली.
सॉरी ब्रो, क्या करेगा? How's
क्या
it?
हो गया? बैकग्राउंड में कहाँ जा रहा है तू? मेटावर्स में या स्पेस में कहीं पे?
मस्त है ना? I'm going to invest in some GameFi now. I heard GameFi is going to pop.
Oh,
Oh,
GameFi.
the Sadhguru has spoken.
Yeah.
This is not
GameFi
financial
is the
advice,
future.
please.
Yeah, yes.
Please. ऐसा नहीं हो.
डिसेंट्रलैंड में अकेला घूम रहा होगा.
जो हमारे पूरे 36 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं और जो हमें
37.
थोड़ी 37
हाँ.
सब्सक्राइबर्स
Please.
पूरे के पूरे नुकसान आ
मैंने
जाए और वो
अपने
जीरो हो जाए.
मैंने अपने
यार 37
भाई को बोला
सब्सक्राइबर्स
कि
वीडियो पे
55
लाइक
please.
सिर्फ 2 या 3
37
आते
हो
हैं.
गए.
नहीं, मैं बोला 37 सब्सक्राइबर्स वीडियो पे लाइक सिर्फ 2 या 3. भाइयों बहनों, प्लीज हिट द लाइक आइकन प्लीज.
लाइक बटन,
Yes, please.
सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन. और क्या होता है?
हाँ.
2-3
और
चीज.
कुछ भी
And-
नहीं
and
होगा,
comment-
just let it keep going.
एंड कमेंट विद गालियां टू नरकुंडी.
यस. एंड बीच में याद है एक बार जब स्टार्टिंग में अपन ने पहले एक दो एपिसोड किए थे तो उसमें वो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब वाला नीचे कहीं आ रहा था. वो कहाँ गया? वो लाइव में कहीं पे आ रहा था. हाँ, टेक्नोलॉजी.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
This is really poor production quality, man. Come on.
बजट देख रहे हो कितने?
अरे खतरनाक बजट अपना. तो एनीवेज क्या बोलते हैं कि सीटी पे अब जितने भी केवल्स हैं जिन्हें इतने दिनों में जिन्होंने सबका नुकसान कराया है और नुकसान कराते जा रहे थे बुल पोस्टिंग के, अब थोड़े दिन के लिए वो 3-4 दिन के लिए सब शांत हो गए. लाइक वी विल सी द मार्केट्स लाइक वेयर इट गोज. इवन लाइक
Yes, of course.
या इवन एक मैं देख रहा था ये. लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन. तो विंटर म्यूट. दिस इज व्हाट.
Oh, yeah.
या
चलो.
आ गया. आई डोंट थिंक आई.
विश्वल सेने का भी
You
आई थिंक
don't
विंटर
understand
म्यूट
the
या
part.
विश्वल सेने का भी कोई पोस्ट आया था उस पे.
या सो
right,
विंटर
but
म्यूट
they are
said
cycle.
no, liquidity drives crypto cycles and now the money has
Yes.
stopped flowing in. Stable
But
coin
this data point was
ETFs
only
and-
from like 2024, right?
yeah. No, source Wintermute data as of 5th November 2025.
अच्छा.
So
नहीं,
अभी
but
तक का बता
historical
रहे हो.
data मेरे ख्याल से
हाँ,
2024 से दिखा रहे थे ये ग्राफ.
हाँ, so he was like since 2020, early 2024, but the momentum is slowed. Capital is rotating internally, not entering fresh. Rallies die fast and breadth keeps narrowing. So is this the beginning of the end? Is
क्या
that
बात
what this
कर
But
रहा है यार?
what external money was this person expecting anyway? ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
I'm guessing कि तेरा normal retail.
Yeah, I
जनता
think
है.
not just normal retail, any new money that was coming into the space.
Any
That's what
new
they were
money.
expecting. But that's I think where they could be wrong because crypto has
Yeah.
always been your major chunk is the ones who have already been here, who made money in the last
Yeah.
2-3 cycles, and
Yeah.
it's not like the new money probably accounts for maybe 3% of the entire crypto economy that we're looking at.
No, but the
3
problem
or
is-
I think basically
But-
जितना भी ETF की buying हुई है, that is the external money which is technically coming.
yeah.
In size, like sizable capital, that's the only sizable capital that's come in. Everything else is all internal capital. What we were discussing, BTC going through its IPO moment, right?
Yeah.
And I don't think
the IPO.
I don't think the ETF money is, you can count that as new money coming in, right? Because that money
Yeah.
is, you know what I'm trying to say. It's not really on-chain money that is coming in and flowing into liquidity.
Correct. It's not creating liquidity, correct. But if you were to say that liquidity coming in is कि भाई चलो exchange में घुस रहा है, exchange में पैसा पड़ा हुआ है वो, like Coinbase is their custodian, right? So basically that money is of probably being used by Coinbase. Of course, definitely they're sort of shoring up BTC on chain as well. So that is probably the only fresh capital, which is why even so I also went through this data point. तो इसमें यही एक बात मेरे को खटकी कि यार what new money was he expecting anyway? Like you are mentioning, every time it's been internal capital that gets rotated, right?
Yeah.
And in all probability, this new flush of money which has come in is this initial ETF appetite which was supposed to come in, which has been considerable. अच्छा ही हुआ है, वो numbers encouraging ही रहे, वही fresh capital आया है अंदर. And आने के बाद जो हमने discuss किया, BTC going through its IPO moment, so the early investors, the angels, the founders, so to speak, have sort of offloaded. अब उन्होंने पैसा बना लिया, अब वो पैसा रोटेट हो रहा है इंटरनल डाइनो कॉइन्स में फिलहाल तो.
पता
Bro,
नहीं, like,
I think the last amount of new money that flew in to the market was during the meme coin rally that was in the last
Yes.
2 quarters of
correct.
2024.
Meme rally,
Correct.
fun, yeah.
Correct, but उधर भी अगर आप देखो, like if you see that even that capital was like
A lot of the
I don't know-
I understand what
how
you're saying.
sizable I don't know how sizably external it was.
Yes.
It was
Like,
sizable
because-
because we were trenching and we
creating
saw a
meme
lot
coins.
of new people coming in, 9 to 5 workers trying to get into this, like we've discussed,
Yeah.
the new meme coin, so
But
there was
who
a
is
sizable
correct.
amount of money that came
But
in.
is that sizable enough or not? I don't know.
But who is to
Uh,
say कि they were not there in the last cycle, right? Like मतलब कि वो same
चलो benefit of doubt कि वो लोग नए भी थे, but I don't know how sizable that was. Like यार ETF buying was like massive buying, right? मतलब भाई
Yeah, that was
100 million, आधा billion dollar की buying हो रही है. Like that is incomparable to what because in the trenches what we saw was definitely number of tokens were more, like probably 20 million tokens got created. But
Solana
some
की
के अंदर
16
घुसे बहुत कम ही पैसा है, and it was I think some of it was
but then
definitely
there were
external
in the
capital.
trenches, there
Most of
were-
it was
in the
internal
trenches-
also.
But in the trenches, there were tokens that made really massive money. For example,
Yeah.
and
The
massive
massive money
scams
that
as well,
pump
right?
came from internal capital. That pump came from internal capital.
No, bro. वो जो Argentina coin था went to like what 4 billion, 5 billion market cap and then dumped down all the way to zero. That was
But
not
that
internal
float was
money.
also very little, na? But the float was also very little. It's not that it was 100% in circulation.
yeah, वो भी है.
A low float token, like the Trump story, a low float token was pumped basically.
It pumped. उन्होंने फिर जितनी रिटेल आ रही थी उन्हीं पे डंप करके उसको पूरा
उन पे dump करके they made money. Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah. So even
guy
if
is-
those
that guy
pumps,
is missing, right?
external capital was, even if those external caps were maybe like 100-200 million, 100-200 million is still a drop as compared to the ETF money that is probably flowing.
Yeah.
I think that's
Yeah.
what this post is probably referring to, and hence they're probably looking at it tapering off. But yeah, I think what Nav also said, ki bhai, it's always been internal cash, and what you're also saying, it's always been internal cash which is usually pumped this space.
Nine.
And
Yeah.
that smart money is yet to sort of flow in to other tokens right now.
So it's not that, man. It's not that. If you see last cycles, right, one thing that killed the entire world cycle was pump fund, man. Pump fund came, इतने टोकन लेके आया कि तेरा पूरा लिक्विडिटी जो था got divided across. So I mean, like last cycle, I think they were market में around 12,000 टोकन. उसके पहले थे 5,000 टोकन, फिर थे पहले 1,000 टोकन. ये साइकिल में भी 13 मिलियन टोकन्स. तो अगर जो पैसा भी आया है is gone across so many different tokens and so many rugs that there's nothing is holding supply, there's nothing really holding what you call value, and plus pump fund spoiled everyone's mind ki bhai abhi ghuso and get on 48 hours and make your money, like the entire conviction method.
Yeah, that's true.
All
That's
is
true.
dead, right? So if you don't have
48 hours bhi bahut hai.
So pump fund killed the alts. That's what actually has happened. It's not really that liquidity आया नहीं है, आया है, because I think everybody who saw me has invested. और पता है मैंने कितने दोस्तों के millions गवाए हैं. But it's of course it was their financial decision, not mine. But at the end, what happens is कि इस cycle में पैसा आया है बाहर से. बहुत लोग का पैसा आया है, and unfortunately, just that alts are dead right now. He has become like the stock market of sorts.
That's exactly what we were saying ना कि पैसा आया है, ऐसा नहीं कि नया पैसा नहीं आया है, but we don't know कि how much does it compare in size to the entire crypto market. I mean, yes, there are 30 million
Correct.
tokens.
To the ETF cash. I don't think that's too much. I don't think that's too much, Mr. Sadhguru, because मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि
So, I'll give you one mental exercise. Okay, check the cycle before Pump Fund was launched and after it was launched. Okay, so before Pump Fund, I'm saying at the same in the same year, the same last 3 years, before Pump Fund came out, we had two little alt rallies, decent alt rallies. Pump Fund आया and उसके बाद the entire alt cycle died out because the entire volume got moved into Pump Fund, which was coming into alts. कि अगर एक cycle आना भी था of new money coming in, it did not come in size, it did not really come. And I think also what's happened is, unlike the last cycles, people have bought less alts and more leverage, because this time in this cycle, the amount of leverage has been placed in the market is close to 10 times the leverage that was playing in the last cycle. So people have moved on from alts, gone into leverage more aggressively. So money is there. It's just that it's moved into different pockets right now. कि alts तो मर गए और public बोला let's make money leverage because alts भाग रहे नहीं है.
Bro, that is what Wintermute is saying कि पैसा आया 2024 में आया पैसा, right? There, but now the new money has stopped coming in. That's what they're trying to say, okay? Or it's reduced coming in.
Yeah, it's tapering off. Yeah, it's tapering off.
And the new money that he's saying, whether it's, and it doesn't really matter whether it was in meme tokens or whether it was in alt rally, right? The money came into the crypto ecosystem. It can be either of the places. At this point in time, now it's either sitting in meme or it's sitting in stables or it's sitting with somebody in leverage trades, wherever it is. That money is in crypto space. But that total amount of money that was coming in earlier has reduced. That's what they're trying to say. The new money that's flowing in is actually getting lesser and lesser. And maybe that's true.
Look at it this way. Everybody is entered with the last cycle mentality कि by December exit करना है. और क्या है कि वो अभी किसको दिखता नहीं exit आने वाला है. So people have given up. So इसका हो सकता है दो scenario. One, that this is start of the bear. Other is the market makers were waiting for this absolute movement of making sure everyone's confidence is broken and then run the market. कि लोगों का पीठ तोड़ दो. So it's either or. I am more on the bearish side, but some people are still bullish here. But yeah,
since you're talking about bear side, I have some information. So I was looking at a chart and then I saw Crypto pull out something similar. I don't know if I have the chart open with me. Wait, I might have Crypto's tweet.
ने आज क्या शेयर किया, एक तो वो भी देख रहा है, वो किसी ने देखा क्या, किसी ने जेम्स विन का इतना पुराना वो पिछले 45 डेज का सारे ट्रेड्स डाले. सो ऑल आर लिक्विडेशन एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन जिसमें अभी वो अनरियलाइज्ड प्रॉफिट पॉजिटिव है 66,000 या 50,000
45 लिक्विडेशंस के बाद,
या 45 लिक्विडेशंस के बाद ही इज मेड $60,000 प्रॉफिट.
करेक्ट. या करेक्ट.
और यानी ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस तो ऐसा रहता है बरो.
करेक्ट. Like all of these KOLs also thought that it's going to be easy money like every cycle.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And like we were discussing, smart money, the market movers, right? Somebody is making the market, right? There's a reason why a BTC is at $2.1 trillion. $2.1 trillion retail के पैसे से तो गया नहीं है. कोई लेकर गया उसको $2.1 trillion, right? Even the journey to $1 trillion was undertaken by a group of people. It wasn't Tom, Dick and Harry buying $1,000 worth, or even a Tom, Dick and Harry buying worth $1 million has not taken BTC to $1 trillion asset, because जो बंदा $1 million लगा रहा है वो million लगा के $2 million लगा के निकल जाता है. वो या तो फिर मीम में लगा देता है वो पैसा, वो कहीं और लगा देता है वो पैसा. So the market movers move
Navid, I sent you the link उसका MM का, ठीक है, उसमें he's talking about this pi cycle indicator. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, right?
Yeah. There are many indicators. As per, I don't think BTC has topped out as per any indicator.
Exactly. So pi cycle indicator basically has predicted your top pretty much every time there has been, right? So it's basically an intersection of basically two different moving averages, right? And every time they've created that toss, it marks a top. Surprisingly, those averages are not coinciding with each other. They are pretty much far apart. तो वो उसमें वो यही बोल रहा है कि यार even for so even if we want to assume that BTC has to top, and if this indicator really works, and it has previously worked in almost 3-4 cycles that it has, BTC has to move up to maybe $250 to $300, $300,000 for those averages to sort of coincide and create that top from where you can basically say, okay, yes, this could be a new top. If that doesn't happen, that means you're not in a 4-year cycle. Then that means that everything is fundamentally changing, right? If BTC corrects from there.
These indicators will no. It's like Plan B's model, right?
Yeah.
It's like Plan B's model, right? These indicators will have to be changed because technically what we're looking at, all of these indicators were prepared when we were practically in zero interest rate environments. These indicators aren't geared up for the kind of economic scenario we are currently present in. These indicators, so I mean, let's face it, all these indicators are lagging indicators, right? So lagging indicators as in the event will happen and then the indicator will show that this has happened. It's not a forward-looking indicator, right? So technically no indicator is a forward, no amount of TA is forward-looking, right? It's all. So the only thing here is, that is just my view, that eventually it's going to be driven by a set of people, right? And those set of people, right, which is termed as smart money, exists in every asset class. Even in this asset class, that particular set of people will decide when will what move, and they are the ones who've actually taken BTC to and built it into the asset class that it is today. Most of these KOLs which are losing money, they are nothing but, like we discussed, like retail who lucked in and sort of made wads of cash. They thought it's going to be like every other cycle. They positioned themselves like that, and like we were discussing the other day, they lost money, right?
Yeah.
And which is why they are broken. Yeah. How Sadhguru is saying that, dude, they are now broken, their backs are broken. But that money in a trading is a zero-sum game. That money has not exited the system. That money is still here. It's just gone from one person's pocket into the other.
Sitting in the system, definitely.
It's gone to whose pocket? It's gone to the smarter person's pocket. Simple. That's the only difference.
Probably holding it and waiting it and keeping it in stables.
We don't know. We don't know what that person's game plan is. Smart money. We don't know how smart money operates, but it's just gone from one person's pocket to the other, and it's just that it happens to be, and statistically that is how it's always, that 90% of that section of population is crying today because they've not made that cash.
Yeah.
Because they were positioned looking at the previous cycle. And they wanted everything to pan out like that, which is why a James Bear is probably sitting at $62,000 of profit after maybe 45 liquidation events. They were positioned accordingly.
After losing 100 million, right?
100 million.
Yeah, like whatever, right? Like whatever.
Yeah.
You know what would be interesting is,
ये जो तेरे साइकिल इंडिकेटर्स है ना टोनी, तेरे जो बुल बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं, ठीक है, लाइक तेरा पाई साइकिल है, तेरा रेनबो चार्ट है, तेरा ETF टू BTC रेशो, 2 ईयर MA, ये RSI, ये वो बहुत सारे जो बुल मार्केट पीक इंडिकेटर्स है. अगर तू कॉइन ग्लास पे जाएगा तो उन्होंने एक पूरी लिस्ट दी हुई है, राइट? None of them is
actually
showing
marked. Yes, exactly. Exactly.
Correct.
Mark the top. Yes.
Yeah, so the top. So it's something that needs to change, because it can't be that BTC is at an all-time high and you are at the end of the 4-year cycle. Yeah, I'm sure.
We haven't seen the top as yet. Exactly. No. Like we always say, things sometimes it's just a simpler explanation.
Yeah. मतलब कि for this to not be top, मतलब कि for these indicators to not show it's a top, would have to be कि the top is now like 200 or above 250.
300, yeah, 250 to 300, yeah.
Plan B का half mil है. हाँ, तो that is the thing. अब I don't know, but
exactly.
it can't be like, ऐसा नहीं
hoping for the best and
हाँ, मेरा बस चले तो मैं तो मिलियन पे ले जाऊं ना BTC को, या पूरे ऑल्ट साइकिल को मैं 100x करा दूं, बट इट्स नॉट अप टू मी, राइट?
इसी बात
Kunal is
पे
positioned
let's I
accordingly
have
right
an
now.
idea, you know, we have so much of these things that you know कि किधर जाएगी मार्केट, क्या जाएगी, पुराने traders liquidate हुए हैं, and I've seen a lot of funny meme content on the internet, right, on the social media, people talking like, you know, there are multiple types of memes. I was thinking let's have a look at some of those.
Yeah, Narkundi will have to share. Narkundi will have to share.
Yes, Narkundi, please go ahead. वो बेचारे मीमर्स की उनके वो जो पेजेस है वही खत्म हो जाएंगे, उनकी फॉलोअरशिप खत्म हो जाएगी।
अरे बेस्ट तो वो एक ट्विटर पे क्या बोलते हैं कि ट्विटर पे चल रहा है हॉट गर्ल्स फॉर जोरान, ठीक है? तो जोरान ममदानी ने सारी हॉट गर्ल्स को अपनी टी शर्ट पहना के और वो चला रहा है, दिस हाउ इज दिस लाइक अ पॉलिटिकल थिंग, दिस न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर बनना चाह रहा है और तू हॉट गर्ल्स फॉर जोरान टाइप का कोई कैंपेन चला रहा है जहाँ पे हॉट बंदियों ने टाइट टी शर्ट पहन के तेरे लिए कैंपेन कर रही है, लाइक अ न्यूयॉर्क मेयर।
But bro, he knew how to capture market. That's what he was doing.
तो जो बूमर है एंड्रू कोमो, he also उसके सपोर्ट में कोई एक बंदी आई एमिली ऑस्टिन, she was like कि मैं भी चलाऊंगी एंड्रू कोमो के लिए, हॉट गर्ल्स फॉर एंड्रू कोमो। तो किसी यार लोग हैं तो क्रिएटिव इंटरनेट पे, किसी ने hotgirlsforanдрewcuomo.com करके एक साइट बना दी और तो अगर उस पे क्लिक करेगा तो उसके सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट वाले केस का पूरा वो जजमेंट खुल जाता है वो। बहुत फारिक बैठे हैं लोग, या
आजकल यही चल रहा है।
हाँ भाई नरकुंडी कितनी देर में?
रुक जा,
आज कर लेंगे अपन। ओके या
ये देख स्क्रीन शेयर पे इसने अपने सारे विंडोज दिखाए हुए।
تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا
हाँ या वाओ,
अरे बाप रे,
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
चलो
ऑफ कोर्स
करने को यार,
This is the most boomer podcast ever. किसी की स्क्रीन खराब हो रही है, कभी कोई अटक कर रहा है।
ये क्या खुला है? क्या खुला है? एक्सपीडियो का खुला है? हाँ इधर वो क्या खुला है? एक्सपीडियो का तेरे खुला है वहाँ पे। I can see एक्सपीडियो ओपन over there in this tab. क्या हो गया?
ये ट्विटर है जो एक्स हो गया अब, बट तुझे पता ही नहीं उसके बारे में।
Oh my god, that was such a Narkundi move, I swear to God.
Yeah, he still Sadhguru still buys his magazines, like, you know, it was 98.
keeping them under his bed.
Yeah, with like a big centerfold, you know.
Brings good luck.
Yeah.
रुक जा,
एक टाइम पे सिंडी क्रॉफर्ड का।
Yep.
Yeah. I think
I guess every guy at one time had that too.
Yeah, Cindy Crawford, right?
Yeah.
Narkundi is a hardcore. This is like a task of his life.
I don't understand. नरकुंडी लेके हेडफोन से माइक पे आवाज सुना ही नहीं उसके अभी तक।
मैं ही सुन रहा था।
Yeah, I know. So वो पता है क्या करता है? देखो पॉडकास्ट के पहले अपने सारे जोक्स मारेगा वो, है ना? जो उसको पॉडकास्ट पे मारने थे ना, वो पॉडकास्ट के पहले मार देगा, and I'll have to give a reaction because it's going to be so sick, right? So you have to like abuse him or do something. और जब पॉडकास्ट चालू होएगा एकदम सीरियस करके ऐसे कि oh, you know, there are 2 different types of wallets. एकदम वैसी वाली आवाज में। Why is that? Amin Sayani was like, he was like, और क्या हो रहा है, आप सुन रहे हैं? वो किस पे था? प्रसार भारती पे ना? इंडिया में जो रेडियो चलता था क्या था? प्रसार भारती। Alright, finally.
Okay, let's try.
Full screen.
I don't think he can do that.
Correct.
This is true, bro. Every time you open a trade,
Why is this like there is like why is there an echo?
Production quality, enhancement.
quality, Narkundi.
It's okay.
It's a little
This was
stressful, I know.
I think this was a big flop and
ऑडियो आया ना अभी?
पहले ऑडियो आया फिर नहीं आया.
हाँ, फिर जाके आया ना वापस.
I would say that आज के लिए हमने काफी बातें कर ली. This should be a good time to end this podcast. Before और this is such a boomer podcast, dude. Like Gen Z का audience है ही नहीं.
Anybody any boomer who's watching our podcast would be able to relate. हाँ, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ.
Yeah. So
Yes, I know.
I don't. This episode is especially for
You're right in the void.
Gen Z. If you're like watching this, when you don't cry.
Yes.
Laugh or cry.
Yes.
Daddy joke.
Why like Narkundi?
होती है जब हम किसी म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो हमें म्यूचुअल फंड्स की यूनिट मिलती है जिसका प्राइस दिन में सिर्फ एक ही बार मार्केट क्लोज होने के बाद ही चेंज होती है. पर
ये किसने लिंक भेजा भाई?
क्या जा भोसड़ी क्या है?
Yeah, this is the price of wheat.
Yeah, this echo is very annoying.
Yeah.
Hello.
क्या चल रहा है?
Hello.
This happened to all of us at one time.
This is a current state of our podcast. Echoing and पता नहीं क्या.
ये कौन सी मूवी से था?
तारे जमीन पर.
ओ देखी
होगी इसने बस वो एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
नहीं देखी है, क्या करूं? क्या चल रहा है भाई?
हटा दे. I don't want to say anything. It might be racist.
I had the same comments in my head.
ये थिंक पीनट के लिए रेडी हो रहा है कुणाल.
क्या I know क्या हो रहा है. इतने सारे Instagram खोल दिए हैं कि इसका इंटरनेट सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा.
किसको ब्रेक हो रहा है साउंड?
I don't think we should do this again.
Ever again.
क्या लैग हो रहा है?
Hello.
पुराने लॉस कवर करने का मौका है. ये लड़कियां इस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा धोखा है. वर्तमान आंखों का धोखा है. भूत सीखने का मौका है. तेरे पास ट्रेडिंग सीखने का मौका है. पुराने लॉस कवर करने का मौका है. ये लड़कियां इस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा धोखा है.
ये अर्जुन कपूर जैसा नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ करेक्ट. वो भी केवल बन गया क्या?
बनी गया करियर तो चल ही रहा है उसका.
पैसे तो मैं यूं बनाऊंगा शॉर्टकट तरीके से.
पाएगा मजा खेल का.
बहुत पैसा है अपने पास.
अब देख तू, अब तू गया बेटा, अब तू गया. देख तेरी औकात मैं दिखाता हूँ तुझे.
पैसा ही पैसा हो गया
90% of the crypto market है।
अन्याय हुआ है, मेरे साथ अन्याय हुआ है।
वही साथ ही अन्याय हुआ है, मार्केट में करने सारे में तो सारे भी करिए, सीधी चोर है, सीधी चोर है, इंटरव्यू चोर है।
ठीक है भाई।
और तो हैं, देख लो।
नहीं, I'm good, bro. नहीं, I'm good, bro.
Good, bro. Yeah, I don't want to see, man. I was like, this is like, really.
I'm like tired.
There were tears that ran down my face, but I did not cry.
I mean, that's crying.
I would disagree. Missing.
He cried.
There were tears that ran down my face, but I did not cry.
I mean, that's crying.
It's like, yeah. My portfolio is in negative, but I'm not in loss.
Close this. बंद कर दे भाई, प्लीज बंद कर दे अपना स्क्रीन शेयर। Oh my God, Adil, you.
So
we need to find a new producer, bro.
I realized
Hello.
कि हमारा पॉडकास्ट नॉर्मल चीजों के लिए लाइक क्या बोलते हैं क्रिप्टो के इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए चले नहीं चले फॉर दिस एपिक फेल ऐसा नहीं हो कि वायरल हो जाए कल कि लोग बोले देखो 5 चूतिया बैठ के एक पॉडकास्ट कर रहे थे। ये चल सकता है, मे बी दिस इज द थिंग। ये गेम उसकी
I'm sure अपना मजाक उड़ाने के लिए हम लोग बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हैं।
हाँ yes
and you know the consistency part was so good, he realized कि the first time it's not working, बंदे ने पांचों के 6 जो है वो उसी echo और reverb के साथ दिखा दिया दुनिया को।
आवाज
देखना
हाँ
ठीक है,
फोकस था।
तो सदगुरु भाई तू आया नहीं था 3-4 दिन से। आई एम श्योर कि यू हैड सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क टू डू, पर 4-5 तेरे 3-4 दिन से हम तेरे व्यूज नहीं ले पाए थे कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रही है। एंड इन द इमीडिएट फ्यूचर व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मार्केट?
डेथ।
तो मैं नहीं, तो आई विल टेल यू स्पेसिफिक्स। मैं और टोनी बोल रहे हैं कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली 94-95 की वही। तो हाँ, स्पेसिफिक डेथ और अगले 2 महीने का आउटलुक बता दे तू क्या है, तू क्या ट्रेड कर रहा है?
तो नीचे जाएगा, देख तू पहले तो नीचे जाएगा,
हाँ
फिर वहां से और नीचे जाएगा, फिर मैं मारेगा एंट्री, फिर वहां से और नीचे जाएगा, फिर एसएल लॉस, फिर वहां से ऊपर जाएगा, फिर बोलेगा अरे यार आई न्यू इट, आई शुड हैव हेल्ड अ पोजीशन एंड देन एंटर ऑन द ग्रीन कैंडल, फिर वहां से वापस नीचे जाएगा।
But one thing is very clear, Kunal is now shifted bias. He is हमारे ग्रुप का eternal optimist has now turned bearish.
Yes.
Oh yes.
And no matter what he says, he has turned bearish.
Yes, and that is when markets really move, right?
Yeah, every time he turns bearish, the market flips, bro.
BTC will क्या बोलते हैं कि crash enough, वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो क्या नाम उसका, रेक्ट कैपिटल वाला।
हमारे ग्रुप में सबके सभी काउंटर इंडिकेटर है, तो ट्रेड कैसे करेंगे आदमी?
एक दूसरे को काउंटर इंडिकेट करते हैं,
नेट जीरो। वो उसको कैंसिल कर रहा है, वो उसको काउंटर।
एक वीसी फंड ऐसा होना चाहिए।
तो वो एटलीस्ट कुछ पैसे नहीं बनाएगा पर अब नुकसान भी नहीं करेगा, यू नो, लाइक काउंटर इंडिकेटिंग एवरीथिंग। या पर अगर नरकुंडी उस फंड पे पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो आई डोंट नो, उड़ जाए अपन हेज फंड के नाम पे अपना
एक्चुअली में उड़ जाएगा।
या
2 दिन पहले नरकुंडी ने बोला था बीडीसी सीम्स टू बी मूविंग अप, I think it's going to go at least to 110. So उसके बाद से बीटीसी 103 104 से ऊपर ही जा सका।
आधी सीटी बंद हो गई उस चक्कर में। ये नौकरी छोड़ दी।
Bro, the guy who had 100% win rate, ठीक है, he lost 40 million.
Yeah. It's not just that. आज सदगुरु की एक बहुत ही अच्छी ऑब्जर्वेशन थी। He was like कि जिस दिन से नरकुंडी तो इस इंडस्ट्री में आया है उस दिन से पूरी मार्केट ही उथल पुथल हो गई है। लास्ट साइकिल तक बढ़िया चल रहा था, पूरी मेरी एनालिसिस एकदम सही बैठ रही थी। ये साइकिल में सबको फेल कर दिया। What do you have to say for yourself?
He killed Bitcoin.
Yeah, he killed Bitcoin. The guy who killed Bitcoin. He actually didn't kill Bitcoin. He killed alt.
Yeah.
He is the equalizer
next
of crypto.
cycle he'll kill
Timu
Bitcoin.
wala Denzel Washington.
He killed alts. The next cycle he'll kill Bitcoin. अब
Stable
क्योंकि
coin.
Bitcoin-
नहीं I heard other light of bullish on AI stocks.
ना इसने जैसी AI stocks खरीदने की बात करी, माइकल बरी wanted to short the AI.
ठीक है भाई। I think आज के लिए इतना बहुत है और अब चलते हैं सोने। Because epic fail video and epic fail podcast. How not to share your screen or share memes or do a reaction video podcast. Like वो ये सब अपन ने hit कर दिया है।
हाँ, correct. That should be the title.
Yeah. And ये जो वीडियो है, I'm telling you 100%, इस पे कल सबसे ज्यादा व्यूज होंगे। Let's see.
जैसे भी आए।
Moving average crossover हो चुका है कल इस पे।
क्या गोल्डन क्रॉस
आ चुका है इस पे।
गोल्डन क्रॉस
बकचोदी एक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन का गोल्डन क्रॉस।
यस ठीक है भाई। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट और
रिंग बेल आइकन।
आर वी सीइंग यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट या अगले एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी?
I'm ready bro. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's
You're
do
ready?
this.
ठीक है।
Yeah.
और यहीं से करेगा कि तू कॉलर से करेगा?
अभी तो यही हूँ।
ओके
यही है।
ओके चलो ओके दिस इज एट द एंड बाय
ओके बॉयज सी या प्लीज
Bye.
Bye.